Hi friends, welcome to Rebelo's Friends. Thank you so much for your like and subscribe on the videos. But I've got a milkshake for you today. I'm going to show you a milkshake that I have dearly loved over the years, and it's called Chickoo milkshake. But now that I'm intolerant to dairy, I've got to try and alter things. So I've done the best recipe out of it, but I think you can do the much better one than what I can. But this is for if you're intolerant to it. So let me take you straight away to the Chickoo milkshake. So it's also called Sapodilla, which is also an Amazon name to it, called Sapodilla. But in India we call it Chickoo. So over here I'm going to use 4 nicely ripe chickoos. I've got 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. I'm going to use some plant-based vanilla ice cream. This I bought from Aldi, so maybe you can buy it. And I'm going to use about 500 ml of soya milk. All we need to do is put this all up together, blitz it down, and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, now what we do first is we'll take, I've washed it and I've opened it up just using hand. I'm going to take the seeds off, and there's quite a lot of seeds, so be careful. Just take that, leave everything to it, take a spoon, just try and scoop it off through the skin so get all that flesh out. What I'm going to do is add that flesh to the juicer jar. So take all that, add that. Okay, then we add the last bit into it, and all the seeds and stuff that goes out in the bin. Okay, we've added the chickoo to it, all the flesh, so that's 4 chickoos to it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the cane sugar. Now I'm going to add the vanilla ice cream to that. I'm going to use generous amount, so you can do that as well if you like this. So I'm going to put 2 whole, like 2 big dollops. Have you seen that? Big dollop. Make sure you add that. If you like ice cream, put it more. So 2 dollops inside. Okay. And the last thing that I add into it is some soya milk. You can keep the milk slightly in the freezer for 15-20 minutes so that it gets that coolness. So what I'm going to do is add some now, and I'm going to add some after it is mixed. Okay, and the jar goes on top, and then we blitz it down, and our Chickoo shake should be ready. Okay, now that it's blitzed, Chickoo milkshake is ready. Look at that jar. Look at that perforation. Oh, it's cold, it's nice, and it's an amazing drink for the summertime. So if you haven't ordered your chickoos, get to your Indian grocery store and maybe you can order some. So go straight into the glass. Look at that. Now all your Chickoo shake lovers, there you go. Do not be jealous of it. Pour it all in. What I like to do is, you know, I've got some plant-based ice cream left. I'm gonna add a little bit to it on top. And there you go, friends. Our Chickoo milkshake is ready. So there you go, friends, Chickoo milkshake. Make sure you do it, you buy the stuff, you can get it easily in England now. So go and ask your grocery stores, can you order this? Sure, if you can't get to India right now, I know, but you can definitely get chickoos in UK. So make sure you get that, do this recipe, I know you like it, and you will enjoy it. So friends, thank you so much. I will put the recipe down in the description so you can have a look through, and if you enjoy that, just give a like, share and subscribe with your friends. Till then, goodbye from the Rebelos.